I am Navashni Govender. I am the Senior Manager for Conservation based in Skukuza in the Kruger National Park. Essentially, my role in the park is I oversee the implementation of various biodiversity conservation programs within the boundary of the park. One of the functions that we have here is we support an indigenous nursery where we do a lot of our own, we grow our own plants from seeds collected in the park, and we promote the use of indigenous plants within the Kruger National Park and areas outside. So what's really important, we donate a lot of the plants to local schools and to communities outside because they need indigenous plants, and we propagate them in Kruger and pass them on to the communities outside.
So we've been supporting this initiative of recyclers since 2017 as a municipality, whereby we provide them with PPE, we support them with materials for them to carry on working, we support them with water for ablution services and facilities.
Sunpass gave us what we call the empty drum. Then we converted all those empty drums into a waste bin. All the local schools around here have benefited out of it. And again, when it comes to job-wise, the community members have benefited. Like for instance, now we've got 30 members who are working in here. And the third one, the most important one, is our community is becoming clean day in and day out.
I believe that I have touched so many lives, and also encouraging people to initiate or start their own project for them to generate income.
My name is Danny Govender. I am a veterinarian by profession. I'm managing the research department in the park. So we really believe that land restitution is part of our sustainability journey. It's needed for perpetuity of the park. We need to forge these strong relationships with our communities, a part of which are the land claimants, so that the park has benefit to them and future generations.
Very often out there in our urban areas, we don't get that feeling of being connected to nature. I think if you work and if you visit the Kruger National Park, you have that connection to the environment, to the vegetation, to the animals. And I think being part of that and being able to protect that or sustain that, to allow that to continue, is a sheer privilege for myself. And that's why I think anyone that wants to be connected to nature and to see nature in its natural form, rather than just a zoo, but to see it in its natural habitat, Kruger is the place to come to.